Welcome to Mini Orange. In this video, we will show you how to configure LDAP integration with Active Directory in Joomla. First, download and install the Joomla LDAP integration extension from the extension directory. First, go to your Joomla dashboard. Here, click on Components, Mini Orange LDAP, and then click on the LDAP Configuration tab. In the LDAP Configuration tab, select your directory server from the drop-down menu. Then, enter your LDAP server URL. Now, enter your service account distinguished name and password. Finally, click on the Connect LDAP server button. We have successfully established a connection with your LDAP server. Now, scroll down to the Mapping Configuration section. Click on the Possible Search Base button to see all the search bases. Select the search base of your choice, and then click on the Submit button. Select the LDAP attribute from the drop-down menu as the search filter for your users in the directory. Then, click on the Save button. We have successfully configured and saved LDAP mapping. Now, scroll down to the LDAP authentication section. Enter the LDAP username and password in the given fields, then click on the Test Authentication button. Now scroll down again and click on the Check Attributes Received button. You will see a window with all the attributes received from your LDAP server. We will use these values for attribute mapping. Go to the Mapping tab. Here, using the values received from your LDAP server, map the correct attributes to the email and name attributes from the dropdown. Then click on the Save button. Congratulations! You have successfully configured the LDAP integration plugin with Joomla. Finally, go to the Login Settings tab. Here, make sure that the Enable LDAP login option is toggled on. Now your users can use their LDAP credentials to log into your Joomla site. Enjoy a 7-day free trial and experience all our premium features. Reach out to us at Joomla support@securify.com. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at plugins.miniorange.com/Joomla to learn more about our products.